Hello viewers, today we are here for the unboxing of OnePlus 6T model. This is a regular version and it comes in thunder purple, mirror black and midnight black colors, and the McLaren edition contains orange and black theme color, while the regular version contains red and white, which is the theme color of OnePlus company. So let us open the package and explore the contents. So here you go. This is the device, OnePlus 6T in screen fingerprint reader. Here is the microphone for the video recording, Type-C charger, and I guess it's a mono speaker phone. This is the SIM tray here and the volume buttons, and this is the button for the profile of the silent, and this is power button. And this is the cover, we can say smoky color cover. This is probably the manual, user manual. Type-C red color cable, 20-watt fast charger, fast charging adapter, and this is Type-C to mini jack. Because of the elimination of the headphone jack from this model, they have given this adapter. So this edition contains, it's 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM with 845 chipset of Snapdragon, which is pretty fast. The battery size is 37,000 milliampere. OnePlus models have a pretty fast charging comparing to other devices in the market. And this is a notch, water drop notch. You can turn off the notch area from the settings. So, and here's the device. So I will boot up this device and enjoy the Never Settle. Thank you for watching.